Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add a font to PowerPoint. First, open your web browser and search for the font you want to add. Here I'm using this website. You can use any website you like. If you know the font's name, just click on the search bar and enter it there, then click on search. If you don't know the name of the font, you can scroll down and search. You can scroll down and search for a font. Click on all the new fonts to see all the new fonts. Here I will select this one, for example. Click on download and wait for the download to complete. Then open the file destination and right-click on the file and extract it. Then go to the folder and here open the open type font style. Double-click on it and then click on install. Wait a few seconds. And now go to PowerPoint. Click on blank presentation to add to create a new presentation. Delete everything from the slide. Then go to insert and insert a text box. Now let's write something. Now select the text box and go to the font, and here enter the name of the font. Let's check again. Oh, it's Paradise Love. And here it is. And here you can edit it. You can change the size, make it bold, add an underline, add shadow. You can also go to format and here select or edit the text by adding a shape fill, shape outline, shape effects. Here you can add shape styles and here you can add word art styles. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!